Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this infographic design in PowerPoint. So first of all, what you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Let's open up a blank PowerPoint template. We're going to go to shapes and insert this half circle shape. Then what we're going to do is rotate it to the right side, and then what we're going to do is just decrease its length and width. The second thing we need to do is just customize the shape as I have done and put it into the middle and the center. Now let's just decrease its size. And then we're gonna go to shapes, and from here what we're gonna do is insert our rectangle. Then we're just going to duplicate that rectangle like this. And we're going to make this shape. Now duplicate that shape using Ctrl+D. After grouping it, and make 4 copies of it. And we're going to connect them with the side. The next thing we need to do is just connect it from the corners of this template. And we're going to insert a straight line like this, and then we're going to change its color, the color of all these lines. We're going to give it a gradient, and I'm going to go with a green blue gradient. Here we go. Then we're going to give it a shadow. Then we're gonna insert our shapes, and we're just gonna add animations. Go to animate, select the circles. Then we're gonna move everything out of the slide after duplicating it. We'll go to the first slide, and we're gonna select all of the slides and give them morph transition from the transitions template. You can also add other animations if you want. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe.